In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Klarna for your business. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to do this process, I recommend you to use a computer on a web browser over at the Klarna website, but you can also do this on your phone if you wish. Just open up a web browser and go to www.klarna.com. When you arrive at the website, you are going to be defaulted to the For Shoppers category. Switch over to the For Business category by clicking on it at the top left. As you can see over here, you will be redirected to this page that tells you the benefit of using Klarna for your business and gives you a general rundown and information on Klarna for businesses. If you want to, take your time and read through all of this text presented to you, but if you just want to use Klarna on your business, select Get Started over here and a new tab will open. As you can see, we are redirected to the Klarna merchant portal, and in here we have to start registering our business to work with Klarna. Sadly, I don't have a business to demonstrate this, but the process is pretty straightforward. Simply include the business contact information and your contact information, and as long as it meets the regulation and terms and conditions of Klarna, you will be able to make use of the Klarna services on your business. Just make sure to put in updated, real, genuine contact information, and you will be able to use Klarna with any business. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Klarna for your business. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.